Hi, this is Bill Springer, senior contributor at Forbes, and I'm here on the Moonen Yachts 110 Mustique at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. It's 110 feet long, so it's not the biggest boat I've ever been on, but I'm absolutely impressed with the level of detail, the way the proportions are just right, and the level of quality that this boat is built with. It starts at the top deck. The top deck is big, but not too big. And it has everything that you need. It's got a wonderful bar with cooking capabilities. It's got a wonderful place to sit and lounge in the sun, also lounge in the shade. And what I like maybe most about it is the ability to look from the back of the boat all the way through to the front of the boat. No boat like this I've ever seen has that feature. Another feature on the Moonen 110 Mustique is the bow lounge. It's a little thing, but it just shows the level of thought, quality, and detail that has gone into the design and construction of this boat. It's the perfect place to hang out, total privacy, and you're in nature. And then there's the bridge. It's big, it's comfortable, you can really feel the quality. Stepping downstairs, you go down this spiral staircase that could easily be on a much larger yacht into a space it's almost like in a cocoon of serenity. There's no creaking, there's no squeaking, everything is just solid. I can't help but be impressed by the floor to ceiling windows in the salon. And then there's the owner's stateroom. Everything from the 180-degree view to the softness of the carpeting underneath your feet, every detail, including storage, where there's a motorized actuator that can lift the bunk up and you can have storage as well underneath the bunk, is just really well done. The guest quarters are much bigger and more luxurious than I would have ever imagined to see on a 110-foot yacht. What I really like is each has that sort of solid quality that I've really come to appreciate on this boat. Being a yacht nerd myself a little bit, I can't do a boat story without talking about the engine room. You can eat off it. It's so gorgeous.
It took our eye one day when we were sailing in Sydney, and we were very enchanted to find out more about it. And I said to Louise, darling, what do you think we go and see if we can buy Moonen? And she goes, absolutely. We bought it because it was evident to us that the company made almost the best boat that ever floated on the planet. There's no skimping here. Everything's quality, quality, quality. But on top of that layer is you've got the staff that are, so passionate about what they build. They're artisans. They're not boat builders. These people are artisans.
There are many things that impress me about this yacht, but I think it's important for you all to remember, this is a full custom boat. It's 110 feet, but it's fully custom. And it delivers a level of quality and customization and attention to detail that I've seen on much larger and frankly, much more expensive boats. I'm just really impressed with this boat.